Today, we are going to learn how lanyards are made. We will start with how to weave the fabric and then get into the screen printing process. One of the things to pay attention to is how labor intensive the screen printing process is compared to the sublimation printing process. This is a lanyard twilling machine, which makes only the blank lanyard material. There are over 300 threads that can feed into this machine and make up to 8 lanyards at a time, and in different colors. It takes 3 to 4 hours to set this machine up, but when they do a changeover, they have a clever trick. They stop the machine and tie the new colored thread to the old one and turn it back on. This significantly cuts into the setup time. They cannot always do this, but you can bet there are lots of machines making the same 3/4 inch wide in white and black fabric permanently. After 10 hours, they can only make 3,000 lanyards, even with 8 at a time. This is why there are over 400 machines at this complex, twilling, weaving, and braiding lanyards, shoelaces, and pet products. This machine weaves the logo into the lanyard, which is a different stitching process than twilling. It takes about 6 hours to set up for every new logo. The pattern file is made on a computer with special software, downloaded to the flash drive, and inserted into the machine. This tenant logo is a relatively simple logo and can only produce 12 to 1,500 yards per 10-hour shift. Now that our straps have been made, we can show you how they manually screen print lanyards. These tables are all about 50 yards long. That's half a football field. They spray tacky glue so the lanyards will not move. Then with this simple machine, they lay down the straps. Once they are straight and organized, a clear coat is screen printed onto the lanyards in the same shape as the logo to create a smooth printing surface. Then they will screen print the logo 4 to 5 times with light coats of ink. By laying less ink and more passes, they can get much better detail. They typically do 17 up for these 3/4 inch wide lanyards, but that changes depending on the width of the lanyards being printed. Take a look at the silkscreen frame. The bottom left of it has a bar that comes down. This hits that peg screwed into the edge of the table. This is how they register the logo so accurately and are able to print so many spot colors so fast. Once the first pass is done, he comes back and does another pass and then another. It is tedious work for sure, and that's how cool stuff is made.